Welcome to the instructional video for changing the drinking water filter cartridges of the AP3, APC, HF15, and AP2 systems. For detailed instructions, please consult the manual included in the package. For additional inquiries, visit our website directly. Step 1. Rotate the cartridge to the left by 1/4 of a turn. There's no need to shut off the water, as the filter head automatically closes it. Be mindful of any residual water that may come out when removing the cartridge. Prepare the new cartridge and remove the red cap if present. Insert the cartridge into the head and gently wiggle it until it clicks into place. Then turn the cartridge 1/4 turn to the right to ensure it's securely in position. Slowly open the tap to release trapped air. Some black water may come out because the filter contains activated carbon. Continue flushing the filter until the water runs clear and free of air bubbles.